Wouldn't it be sweet if your camera and your smartphone could play nicely together? With Trigger Trap Mobile, they can. Use your Android or iOS device to trigger your camera in tons of creative ways. For starters, we have a simple button to take a photo in fast or long exposure programs. But why stop there, when we can use the sensors built into your device to take photos based on the number of faces in a scene, or motion, vibration, sounds, and all sorts of other events. Trigger Trap Mobile has loads of fun, time-based triggering modes as well. There's a fully automatic long exposure HDR mode, HDR time-lapse, and a star trail mode for the stargazers among us. Speaking of time-lapse modes, we have more of those than you can shake a lens cap at. There's the normal time-lapse, of course, but we also have a few lapse modes you won't have seen anywhere else. Distance lapse, for example, uses the GPS built into your smartphone to take a photo based on distance instead of time. This mode can be used to create videos where it looks as if you're traveling at a constant speed. Perfect for road trips. There's also time warp mode. Instead of taking photos at fixed intervals, time warp adds acceleration to your time-lapse videos. This makes it look as if time speeds up at the beginning of a time-lapse and slows back down at the end for more dynamic movement. We've also added Wi-Fi triggering to the app, so you can trigger from just about anywhere. The apps are free, and to connect to your camera, you need a Trigger Trap Mobile dongle. We support more than 300 camera models, so check our website to find out which cable you need. For more information, check out triggertrap.com.